Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you doing a little test pour with the lovely colour art paints called Prism paints. I had mixed them up previously and done a few different pieces of art this week with them, so I'm testing them out again on a black navy base. So that base was just acrylic paint that I'd mixed up. It was global acrylic that I'd mixed up with my normal pouring medium, and I'm trying the Prism pour paints, which are mixed with 50% paint and 50% the global pouring medium and gloss. So I was trying to see what I could get with those. So this was the gold, and then I'm going this lovely, I think it was called Hot Orchid colour. So I'm going to layer the colours on my base, and I'm going to put the cell activator on the top, which is my normal. If I'm doing this kind of thing, it's a Amsterdam black or Amsterdam white with Australian Floetrol. It's written in the description underneath the video, my recipes. So that's what I'm trying with this, and I'm just layering those colours back again. I think the extra one I added there was the copper. So I'm just layering the colours and we'll see how this goes.
Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
I'm just doing a slight tilt of the colours. The white that I put on top was my cell activator, which is the Amsterdam paint, and I'm just giving it a tilt before I try a swipe. So that's the cell activator, called cell activator. It's to activate the nice sort of lacy bloom effect in my paint, whether it does that or not, because I've mixed it with a different pouring medium, but we'll give it a go and see how this works. Okay, not too much happening with those cells. Well, not sort of anything to float me boat. So I'm going to try now and actually see if I can do a chaos blow with the prism pour paints. We'll just see how it goes, hey? But it's all new to me, and trying things all the time is all part of the fun. I hope you do that too in your own art. Is just can watch other artists do their thing and take whatever part of it you choose to take and follow, but just try and make it your own. And that's what I enjoy doing the most, is just going with complete abandonment and doing what your heart desires. Remember, it's only paint. Don't get too stressed up about it or hung up about it. Look at that, it is absolutely making some beautiful, beautiful, like rainbow flames, I'm calling them. Not your traditional flamey colours, but it's giving the effect of like the flames. It's very dreamy, floaty, but we'll see what happens on the other side, so I hope you're enjoying. Absolutely love it. It actually far more detail in it. I've left it to dry and it's drying beautifully, and it seems that it's drying quite glossy actually, and that's because I mixed it with a gloss medium. There you go. It's really lovely floaty. It's very nice with a coat of resin. This will absolutely pop your socks. So I'm just finishing off the edges and I'll be gone. Bye for now.